Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now when our face is due with a cleanup, our facial skin starts to show a lot of unwanted signs like pimples, acne, scars or even breakouts start to show, which are really unnecessary and unwanted. So in this case, we desperately need a facial cleanup for that flawless skin. And we are all sucker for parlor visits, but sometimes we don't have enough time in our hand and money in our pocket to be invested in those lengthy and expensive salon sessions. So which is why today I'm going to suggest you my favorite at-home facial kit, which is extremely quick, which gives flawless radiant skin, and trust me, my skin glows from within. So I am talking about my favorite at-home beauty kit, which is the Radiant PartyGLOW White Peony and Argan Facial Kit by LOTUS HERBALS. It is enriched with natural botanical ingredients like white peony and argan oil to deeply nourish the skin, soothe suntans, sunspots and sunburn by controlling the melanin formation. Now what white peony does is it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which makes it really useful in skincare. And argan oil is really good to get rid of all the dark spots because it brightens the skin, moisturizes the skin and is great for anti-aging at the same time. It's a 5-step facial kit that includes 4 times usable tubes and also a sachet, and all of this is absolutely paraben free. Start by using the cleansing gel, which is the first step. Apply the gel on your face and neck and massage in circular motion. It gently removes makeup residue, pollutants, impurities from the skin and prepares your skin for the next step. And then just rinse thoroughly with plain water. The next step is to use the DeTaning polisher. Apply the DeTaning polisher on moist skin and massage it for 2 to 3 minutes. It will scrub away the dead cells and loosen blackheads and whiteheads while giving smooth detanged finish to the face. Moving on to the third step, which is using the deep cell activating serum. Take about 4 to 5 drops of the serum and apply it all over your facial skin and massage till it's well absorbed. This natural active enriched gel serum is a unique mix of serum plus oil which penetrates deeply into the skin and works on the dark spots, resulting in bright and translucent skin. Step 4 is to use the Brightening facial cream. Massage the facial cream on your face and neck in circular and upward motion for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is an ultra-rich facial cream which smoothens the skin and also provides even-toned, lighter complexion. A relaxing massage helps to improve the blood circulation and lymphatic drainage of the skin. The last step is to use the algae peel-off mask. Take about 20 grams of the mask and add 50 ml of water to it and apply immediately on the face and neck. This resets tired, dull-looking skin and also gives firming effect, which helps to reduce the puffiness on the face and leaves the skin perfectly moist and glistening. After 10 minutes, once it's completely dry, you can wash it off with plain water. So this is the final look of my skin, and my skin is all set to get ready for the festivities. So definitely try the LOTUS HERBALS Radiant PartyGLOW White Peony and Argan Facial Kit. Now this one is absolutely my go-to, especially for this festive season. It's so affordable, so easy to use. Can be done at the convenience of your own house. You don't have to spend a lot of money or invest a lot of time. So I think this is a great pick for this festive season. I'm going to have the link of this in the description box below. So check it out and let me know your experience in the comments section. And I will see you very, very soon.